Good morning, traders. So how are we going to trade this Aussie today? So as expected yesterday, we did range a bit. Let me just get rid of some of the noise. I've already got my levels drawn in, and we're focusing on the 4 hour at the moment because you can see where, according to my broker, price close, and that's not true. So the daily is skewed. Okay, so looking at the 4 hour, we had a nice engulfing, a pullback, and then another engulfing. So this to me is a fairly good signal that we have reached some sort of a bottom. Okay, it could still turn out to be a flag. So in other words, it could sort of follow or delete that one. Not exact, but you get my drift. So it could very well be a flag for another push down. That is a possibility. But for me at the moment, this is a potential double bottom, and what we're looking for is a break above 50075. Okay, that's kind of what we're looking for, and you can see how the alligator is now starting to go flat, and you can see the awesome oscillator as well has formed a higher low. We've got price forming a higher low, so all we're looking for is a higher high now, and that would give me some confidence that we are moving to the upside. So let's get down to the half hour. I'm just going to delete that for now. So we have the start of the upward trend line, and you can see how price has respected this level, okay, quite extensively yesterday. And what we're looking for now is, obviously, as I said, we're looking for break above these two fractional levels here. So this 50.0, let's just call it 50.080. That's going to be the safest bet. Right, then levels. We have a gap. So there's a daily gap right here at 54.74. Okay, that also coincides with a bit of a swing low, and I just want to pick up that swing low from here. That lines up fairly well. The next potential level is going to be up there, which is the 200-day moving average. Okay. So I'm looking for longs at the moment, and yeah, potentially a reasonably good swing trade. That's kind of what we're looking for. The problem that we do have at the moment is that we have a 600 point. We have a 600 point closing range. So anything's possible or what's going to happen. But the most important part here is that 10 cent has decided to rally, and we're up 3%. So that's definitely going to push NASPAS up, which should push us up as well. Okay, so why am I bleating about this closing range? Well, because your stop is going to be down here. So your stop is going to be below 49576. So, I mean, that's a massive stop loss. But there is no other swing low for you to put it below. So that's the closest swing low to put your stop below. And you're looking for a breakout of this level. Now, what you could do is wait for it to gap up, run to a point and come back. But often, what happens is it'll just continue meandering all the way up to the next level and then only come back. Okay, so that's kind of what we have on the cards. And the one thing that is worrying me is the US. The US started to get going last night and then it sold off immediately. So no real change in the US markets. And there is a lot of geopolitical noise that's coming out of there at the moment. So that may actually just put a damper on things. Rand is also flat at the moment. So just under 15. So yeah, we'll have to wait and see what happens. But I suspect we're going to get a gap up. And what may happen is get a gap up and then just go sideways until the US open. That may well happen, or we may get gap up, run to this area, and then bounce back. So I don't expect we're going to get a runaway but I do think we should get some upside movement today. Most of it may be with a gap open. That's also a possibility, but we just got to watch price action to see what happens. You may find you'll have an entry in the first half hour. So in other words, what will happen, it'll gap up and then meander down a bit, and then just at 9 o'clock, sort of accelerate up and then move down again. Okay, so definitely looking for longs here, not looking for shorts. This question is where we get in. Okay, level to watch the upside is obviously 501, sorry. Oh, sorry, I'm still fast asleep. So it's 50175, not 50075. So 50175 is a level we want to break to the upside, and a break of 49575 to the downside would give us downside. Okay, but I suspect we're going to get some upside. First level that you can expect some profit taking will be 50475. 50475. That would be the first area you can expect some profit taking, and then if it does get past that, you're looking at the top level here. You're looking at the 51,000 level. Okay, so that's kind of what I expect that's going to be happening today. And you're just going to have to be pretty diligent to what's happening with price action. Okay, and the other thing is the break above 50175 does actually put this cup and handle into play. So that takes us right the way up to 51,000. Okay, so that's my play on the Aussie. Hope it helps. And just pay attention to your price action today. You're looking for more than likely a gap up and a 5-minute candle that'll run. And then you should get a little bit of a pullback, maybe to 50% of that opening range. And then there's an opportunity to go long. Okay, so that's the Aussie. Hope it helps. And enjoy the day. I'll catch up with you guys later. Cheers.